plotting of points na tayo. Okay, let us plot the given ordered pairs using a Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, so how to plot? These are the steps. Okay, first I will give an example of ordered pairs. So for example, okay, point A is located at -2, 6. So let us identify the exact location of point A. So we have -2, +6. So how to plot? We need to follow the steps. Step 1. Okay, from the origin, where's the origin? At the middle. From the origin, count the number of x unit, or what we call the abscissa. First, identify what is the abscissa here. -2. Ano yung abscissa? Yung first number, anak. What is the abscissa here? -2. So from the origin, if the abscissa is positive, the direction is going to the right. Kapag naman negative, going to the left. Now, what is the abscissa again? -2. Or going to the right or going to the left? Left. How many times? 2. So meaning, pag hakbang mo, count as 1 pa lang yun. So from here, hakbang tayo ng dalawa. 1, 2. That is step 1. So i-hold ko muna to, hindi pa to exact location. Okay, let us proceed with step 2 na. Okay, from the point on the x-axis, dito na ako manggagaling. Okay, count the number of y units. Take note, if the ordinate is positive, upward. If the ordinate is negative, downward. Now, what is the ordinate? Positive 6. Up or down? Up. How many times? 6. Oh, count 6 times upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, this is the exact location of point A. And point A is located at quadrant. Anong quadrant ito? 2. Or what is the sign of quadrant 2? Una natin titignan lagi, anak, si x-axis. Kung ito si x-axis, quadrant 2, anong sign nito? Negative. And then anong sign nito? Okay, meaning quadrant 2, we have negative, positive. Tama po ba? Negative, positive. Do you understand? Okay, let us try more example. Number 2. Okay, point B is located at 3, -3. Same procedure tayo, anak. Start from the origin. Okay, what is the abscissa? First number. What is the first number? 3. That is the abscissa. Positive, negative? Okay, positive. Going to the right or going to the left? Right. How many times? 3. So start from the origin. Count 3 times going to the right. 1, 2, 3. And then, dito na tayo magpo-proceed. Then, step 2. Count the number of y units. What is y unit? -3. Negative. Up, down. Down. 3 times. So from here, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So therefore, this is the location of point B. And point B is located at quadrant 4. Check natin yung sign. X-axis ulit. What is the sign of x-axis here? Positive. Anong sign ni y-axis? Okay, negative. So positive, negative. And point B is located at quadrant 4. Another example. -5, -4. Again, start from the origin. First, what is the abscissa? First number. -5. Right, left? Left. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the ordinate? Second number. -4. Up, down? Down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, location of point C. Okay. Point C is located at quadrant 3. Ano kayang sign ni quadrant 3? Negative, negative. Check natin. Ano yung x natin? Negative. Dito? Okay, negative, negative. Negative, negative po ba? Next, another example. 0, 0. Where is the location? Okay, at the middle. Kapag tinanong, where is the exact location of point D? Okay, at the origin. Yun yung susulat nyo. Wala siya sa quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nasaan po siya? At the origin. Next, letter E. 0, 7. Okay, first, start at the origin. What is the abscissa? 0. Meaning, aalis ka pa dito? No na. Proceed na tayo kay ordinate. Ano yung second number? 7 na to. Up, down? Up. Okay, how many times? 7. So, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ito po ang ating point. And then, yung point natin ay tumama po saan? Nakay first quadrant po ba siya? Wala. Nakay quadrant 2 po ba siya? Saan po nag-lie? Sa gitna, sa line mismo. Anong line ito? Y-axis. Meaning, kapag tinanong, where is the exact location of point E? Okay, at the y-axis. Wala siya kay quadrant 1, wala rin po siya kay quadrant 2. Nasaan siya? Nasa y-axis. Take note. abscissa, 0, automatic yung point maglalay sa y-axis. O, vice versa naman. Paano naman po kapag 0 naman ang ating ordinate o yung second number? O, same procedure pa rin yan, anak. What is the first number? Negative 4. Right, left? Left. O, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is y? 0. O, alis ka ba dito? O, ito na yung location natin. This is point F. Ano ang 0 natin dyan? X or y? Y, di ba? Kapag yung y units or yung ordinate ay 0, ang point ay maglalay sa x-axis. Any question? Do you understand? Okay, another example. Coordinate sa point G, we have 4, 4. Anyone? Who wants to plot point G? O, ikaw anak. Sige, tayo. From the origin, turo. Okay, what is the first number? 4. Positive 4. Right, left? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, now, ano yung second number? 4. Up, down. Oh, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, dot. Lalagyan ng dot, and then sa gilid, anak, sulat mo G. Okay, para ma-identify natin ano yung dot na yon. Okay, meaning, the exact location of point G is at quadrant what? Quadrant 1, because point G is both positive. Do you understand? So, meaning, kapag quadrant 1, both positive. Quadrant 2, negative, positive. Quadrant 3, negative, negative. And quadrant 4, positive, negative.